Hello guys, so today we're gonna be playing some difficult church. So anyways guys, so let's play Seb Abby. So anyways guys, if I did some over this channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, let's go beat that game guys. Let's go. So I know how to. Are you kidding? Stop it. Okay, I'm not in the game, yeah, so I should just remove this. Wait, I can just hit left. Okay. Okay guys, so welcome to the Orbit game that I can't even record, but anyways, I can record by myself. So this one's very hard. Stop. Okay, I should just become easy guys. Oh wait. Okay, so I cannot wall hub because it's so very hard. Wait, who's that? Who did this? Oh wait, he made it. Guys, he made it guys. Oh, oh this one's easy. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Guys, the easy game that I just wall hub. So anyways, guys, I know how to wall hub by myself. So anyways, let's go wall hub. I need to wall hub, guys. Okay. Otherwise, guys. Oh, I should not go, guys. You cannot hold, guys. Okay. I think this one's easy, right? Oh, thank you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this one's easy. Oh, wait. How can I do that? How can I do that, guys? Guys, I know I'm going to practice. Let me know I'm coming. Oh, wait. How? I can't do it, guys. Wait, hold on, guys. Okay, wait. Oh, oh, yes, no, wait, I can't do it. Oh, I can, guys, I can do it. Yes, I can, guys. I can just do it whatever I want. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, it's hard, guys. Okay. Oh my god. So why do I keep lagging, guys? Please comment me if you want, guys. Bro, please comment me, guys, if I get popular videos. We go other side. Oh. Guys, you need to wait until the freeze here. But, yes, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost made it, guys. Oh yeah, guys. Oh my god. I know how to clock, guys. Okay. But it's gonna be a bit hard. The clock is a bit hard. That's okay. No, this one, no, this game is hard. So it's okay. Oh, how? Oh yes. Oh yes. Guys, this one's easy, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're trying to blue, guys. What are you doing? Who are you? Oh yeah. What the heck happened? What the heck? Oh yeah. Oh, you should just skip stage. Oh yeah. Oh, I can do it, guys. I can do it. Oh yeah. Go. Go, I can see. I can see. Yes. See you later. Oh, don't fall, guys. Guys, I almost made it. To the green one. Let's go to the green one. Let's go, baby, guys. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, guys. I think it's easy. So, yeah. Oh yeah, go. Yeah. Oh, yes, easy. Okay, let's go. It's gonna be a bit harder. And let's stop. Oh, oh, no. Oh yeah. Yes, 13. Yes, easy. Oh yeah, no. Easy, guys. Oh my god, Chihuahua. Easy. Oh, yeah, this one's easy. Don't fall. Don't fall, guys. Oh yeah. Oh no. Because I don't know how to crouch. Yeah. But I already know how to crouch. Well, how I do? This one is harder. I don't know, guys. I don't know how. I don't know how to close. I don't know how to crouch. Wait, please do it. No, I don't know how to crouch. Wait, hold on. Again. Wait. I don't know. I know how to crouch. Wait. Oh no. I don't know. This is about. I think this one's hard. So, bye guys.